Hey guys, this is Andreas from SmartLink B2B Solutions. We are a cold email outreach company that specializes in script writing, lead generation. We also build cold email infrastructures and audit email deliverability. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about how to come up with domain names. So some of you may ask yourselves, is this really relevant? Is this really important? And the answer is absolutely, because all these small little details in our process help us get the most out of our leads. So let's just dive straight into it. Choosing the right domain name is crucial because it can boost your deliverability and also provides a professional first impression to your potential clients. So, first things first, we head out to DomainR. This will help you generate some domain names. If you write your domain here, this application will generate a list of domains, show you if they're available, if they're taken, give you some ideas for your domains. I left you the link in the guide. It's pretty easy to use, and as said, it will generate various domain names options for you to review. Then you have to filter these. You have to only select available domains, of course. And my personal tip would be to prioritize .com domains. So always choose .com domains for credibility and for recognition. I would say to avoid other extensions like .net or .org unless it is absolutely necessary to. So optimizing domain choices. The first tip would be to focus on cold email relevance. When selecting a domain name, keep in mind that commonly used formats can make your email seem less unique or legitimate. My tip would be to opt for domains that are less generic, such as smartlinkb2b.co instead of getsmartlinkb2b.co. If you prefer if your preferred domains are unavailable, you can still create professional variations by adding prefixes or suffixes. I gave you some examples here. As prefixes, I like to use try smartlink or start smartlink or join smartlink. And some suffixes would be group, growth, hub, or as an example, smartlinkusa.com. So keep in mind, just keep it simple and memorable. A domain should be easy to remember and spell. Complicated or overly long domains can reduce the likelihood of your clients recalling or correctly typing them. Our step 3 would be domain names for best practices. My tip would be always choose .com domains. The reason .com is globally recognized and considered the most professional. It is also the most trusted extension for business purposes. Always avoid numbers or hyphens because numbers can create confusion and hyphens make the domain harder to remember and reduce professionalism. These also make your domains seem like fraud domains because people that do fraud use such domains to mimic sites. Another tip would be to avoid special characters, any special characters except for hyphens, but these, as earlier said, should also be avoided. Domain should be clean, easy to type. As recommended domain providers, I recommend GoDaddy and Squarespace. They are easy to use and easy to integrate with your email providers, with Gmail or Outlook. So I hope this video will help you in your process. And if you have any other questions, please leave me a comment in the YouTube section, or you can just book a meeting with me. You have the link in the guide.